Hello everyone, I'm Jia-Ting. Today I'm at Suntec Convention Centre because Atomy Singapore is having a one-day seminar, the Entrepreneurial Journey. I have arrived at the event hall and I'm going to interview the speakers now. Recently, I heard that you have been promoted to Diamond Master. How do you feel about that? I'm excited for you. She's also from my team.
My partners also got promoted to Sales Master. I think that one made me more excited. Yeah.
So what will you be sharing later on stage?
Later I will be sharing about Atomian lifestyle compensation plan. This is my first time to have such a lot of audience and grand stage. I'm very excited. It's a good chance and thank you Atomy for giving me this opportunity.
All the best! May I know what will you be sharing on stage later?
I will be sharing about my experience with Atomy and also why you should join us.
Well, I'm very excited about it because this is the second time and look at this, it's 700 people. The first time was 500. Amazing!
Today is really very exciting because we've got special guests and a lot more partners coming with us. So yes, very happy to be here today.
加油! Let's go! Acha! Crowd is coming in right now. I'm excited. Are you excited? 1, 2, 3. Acha! Acha! Oh my god, so many of my favorite products here. We have the apple jelly, our star product, Him, vitamin C. Oh, this is my favorite collagen drink. Let's go and take some photos. Let's go. Remember Chairman's Park video and his vision renewed day by day. Are you excited for today's event? I heard that it's a full occupancy.
Before I enter, I already get excited.
Wow.
So long queue, you know.
Yeah. Which lifestyle center are you from?
Bugis.
Wow. 要不我来采访一下你？Eric 感到骄傲吗？2次站在那个大屏幕上，大台上。
我们 Bugis 为 Eric 老师的优秀表现感到非常的自豪和骄傲。
Woo! Can see that there's a lot of Jedix fans around here. Look at them queuing to take photo with him. I also want to take photo. Wait for me. All of you today, and hope today's seminar will benefit you by providing a better insight of Atomy.
Company motto. Spirit.
Cherish the spirit.
Vision.
Create the vision.
Faith.
Follow the faith.
Humility.
Serve in humility.
Aja. Thank you very much.
Thank you, everyone. Today we are very fortunate to have Crown Master Jedic live here in Singapore for our sharing.
在 Atomy 成功。那个时候的话呢，为什么？
Do you know the importance of writing your life scenario? Basically, it's just stating down the dreams that you want to achieve and reaching to that goal. And each step you write down specifically how you're going to reach to that goal. So most of us actually do not write down our goals, so we walk around aimlessly. So this is very important in our life. If you write your scenario, do it today. Cham, sorry if I pronounce wrongly. In September, she wished to go on a Vietnam trip. I hope you made it and tell us and share your photos with us. 2022 goal, she would like to assist 4 partners to achieve Sales Master and Auto Sales Master. All the best to you! Wow guys, Royal Master Park Joo-young is in Singapore. I have always been secretly watching his videos online, but here he's in Singapore. I'm so excited.
You have to have a vision, and that vision needs to be something that you believe in. And if you do not believe in that vision, it is very difficult to try to accomplish those things that are ahead of you. If you don't even believe that, when you look at the mirror every single day and you're staring at yourself and you're thinking, can I do this? Is it possible for me who doesn't have these things to become successful? If you don't believe it, then who else is going to believe you?
信念，谦卑信念，服务，谦卑服务，加油加油加油 ！Thank you everyone. The leaders.
Thank you, Royal Master Nari, for coming to Singapore. How was your time in Singapore?
Third time. Yeah, it was very good time for me. Thank you inviting us. Yeah.
So any Singapore dishes that you tried and you like it, or you still prefer Korean food?
Everything is very good.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We hope to see you again in Singapore.
See you, Singapore.
Anything you want to say to Singapore members from Atomy?
I think Atomy business is very good business for all the Singapore members to do, because this really changed my life. I think also can change your life also.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We hope to see you again.
Okay, see you. Bye.
Can I take a photo with you? Thank you, Coach Park, for coming to Singapore.
Yes.
How was your time in Singapore?
It was amazing. One of the best times that I've had in any of the overseas countries. So Wendy did an amazing job, and all the members and staff always doing top-notch best work.
Wow, thank you, thank you. Maybe you want to say something you want to say to Singapore Atomy members?
Yes, I believe that this is one of the best branches to work with. I believe that, yes, Singapore has amazing opportunity because of its ability to speak multiple languages, and you guys are close to everywhere. So I believe that this is an opportunity not for just Singaporeans, but every single person here in Singapore and everybody around the world will be connected with you guys. So I think this is an amazing opportunity. So get started. Don't regret not getting started today, yeah?
Thank you so much. Thank you. We hope to see you again in Singapore. Thank you. Oh, wait. We have come to the end of the one-day seminar, the Entrepreneurial Journey. See you at the next event. Bye.